You can see how cool and nice this farm settlement look this evening with the sound of nature and the cool breeze waving all around the crops. You can see the cloud smiling upon us with joy, shouting, and feeling the deep breeze of nature. This is OTA Farm Settlement, where we farm, where we produce food for the nature, we produce food for human. Cool nature. You can see this is so beautiful. The young corn and the cool breeze. So beautiful.